Good morning! Today I'm showing you this 18.8 million euros ultra modern villa in one of the top locations of Marbella, Cascada de Camojan. A total of 8 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, immense 5,000 square meter plot with stunning gardens and landscape and chill out areas, over 1,000 square meters built with indoor heated swimming pool, spa, gym, cinema, and a solarium with bar and jacuzzi. Let's go!
Stop that, yeah. I hear him chatting the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, man so tough, but lines keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let it tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan, if you wanna touch me, please use caution. Stop that, yeah. I hear him chatting the noise, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, lines keep walking, yeah. Just too sharp with the prize, let it tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan, if you wanna touch me, please use caution.
Look at all this outdoor space. What an amazing estate. The plot is simply huge with so much different areas for all type of events, or just walk around and enjoy the property yourself. There are 5 different chill out areas in this immense park-like garden. The landscape is spectacular with such an amazing palm trees. There is surround music system everywhere, hidden in form of rocks and scattered around the garden. Over here we have this huge wooden table for 16 people, a piece of art by itself, connected with this chic bar with so many features, so inviting to entertain. I love the design of the walls with the plants, gives such a nice vibe and special atmosphere. Imagine sipping on your favorite cocktail and overlooking this amazing pool. Next to the pool we have the main outdoor space with, once again, lots of different lounge areas. And with this covered terrace that opens up with a push of the button, it's absolutely fantastic. Living in Marbella, you want to spend as much time as you can outside. It's completely outdoor lifestyle, and having so much terrace to enjoy is the best value you can get. The pool area connects immediately with the gym, sauna, indoor heated swimming pool, which is simply perfect. You can train out here, looking out to the views and the garden with so much natural light. Use the heavy weights, the sauna, the swimming pool, go outside to the covered sunny terraces, use the outside pool, an infinite amount of combinations to enjoy while someone plays the grand piano or gives it a modern vibe with the DJ set and the drums, with the Boss surround system. And if you're in a more relaxing mood, you step over here to this fantastic movie theater. You still have the views of the pool and the gym. And if you want a more cozy atmosphere, you close the curtains and immerse yourself in the movie. Personally, I really like this open bar at the back of the cinema with all this cool illumination. Having all these entertainment areas connected with the outdoor space is just priceless. Also, there are 4 guest suites on this floor, and upstairs we have 4 family bedroom suites, so that the family is separated from And here we are at the hallway with the main entrance door to my right. As soon as you walk in, you have this great architecture detail of the suspended chandelier cutting through the floor, double height ceiling and views to the wood staircase to my left. Stepping inside the living room, you have fantastic qualities throughout. And take a look at this spectacular decoration. All the furniture in this house was designed by Pedro Peña, to my mind the best in Marbella. The living room floats out to the huge outdoor covered terraces with great views, and over here connects with the kitchen. So spacious and offers everything that the most enthusiastic chef can wish for. This gorgeous dining table, connected with the island, gives such a cool look and emphasizes on the big size of this room. Lots of natural light coming in through all these windows. You've got more cooking space over here. All the appliances are gagging out. And through this door on this side, we have a very nice office. If you're following around with the layout, you probably noticed that the office is next to the main entrance door, which is very handy. You've got nice dark wood decoration. Over here there is a guest toilet. And now we'll go to the other side of the house, where is the only bedroom on this floor. Great huge suite with the bathtub incorporated. The white carpentry is of the highest quality. The TV has been very nicely incorporated. The light wood combines very well with the design. This bedroom was also planned to be a potential master bedroom if you want to be on the ground floor. All the bathrooms in this house have a really nice decoration and different touch in each case. I really like the wallpaper and the ceramic chosen for the shower. Coming upstairs, we have 3 suites on this floor with the master in the middle. The first one is just right off this staircase. Amazing decoration and choice of materials once again. You've got windows in an L shape which brings so much natural light, and the open plan closet which is right in the middle, joining the bedroom with the bathroom. And the bathroom has impressive views to the La Concha mountain directly from the bathtub. You're surrounded by greenery all around. Fantastic qualities throughout, and apart from this shower, both suites have this really funky outdoor shower with sea views on each side of the house. It's really nice to have a shower out here in the summer. The bedroom on the other side is very similar to the previous one, but slightly different. Very nicely designed as well. It has access to the big terrace with the open sea views, same as the previous bedroom. Another really nice feature is how the design incorporated the wood from the floors in all the doors of the house. The closet on both sides connects us with the bathroom, a really nice choice of marble colors, and you have the same access to the outdoor shower. Spacious and gracious master suite with every modern luxury and convenience. Separate walk-in closet. Gorgeous bathroom immediately begins with the bathtub looking out. The wood from the bedroom flows into the bathroom, connecting both spaces together. You've got double vanity, white ceramic on the walls, impressive shower, and all of this with amazing sea views. Large private terrace, ideal for enjoying magical sunrise over the Mediterranean and gain a unique emotional experience. And finally, I take you to this terrific solarium. Such a fun space. You've got your bar, your barbecue, lots of chill out areas, and the jacuzzi with the size of a small pool. Lying in here, you can enjoy the best views completely private. Thank you so much for watching. This has been our 6th property tour, one every week. We keep working hard to provide you with the best quality and the top selection of Marbella properties for sale. Subscribe and stay tuned.